2003 Chevy S10 with a 4.3 liter. Really nice truck, bright yellow. This is a California edition, so it's got two cats on it. It wires into a single. And then there's the first cat, then the second cat, and the phone rings again. And then we have 2.5 inch pipe all the way into and then what we did is put a wide pipe duals on it right there, 2.5 inch to 2.25. Then two tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there. It's a really tight squeeze, so you guys gotta take to a muffler shop to get it customized and done right. Into 4-inch tips right there, as you guys can see. Like always, guys, if you like our work, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And hit that notification bell. 2001 Chevy S10 V6, I think. Is it a V6? Yeah. 2001 Chevy S10 V6. Really beautiful truck, really clean, nice color. What we got done on it, factory, these come with two factory converters, believe it, the California edition ones. This one, a smaller one, and then a massive one right after. Then he brought it earlier in the year and we did duals on it, straight pipe, but he just couldn't take the sound no more. It was too loud for him. So we went ahead and put him a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK right there. Part number 10416. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we did, and then the wide pipe duals after that, out the back. Custom bent all the way back on each side into 4-inch tips there and there, rolled. As you guys can see, look at that nice Chevy emblem. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and all that good, beautiful stuff you guys do for us. We really appreciate you guys watching the channel. Much better. Decibels? Go ahead. 105. Go ahead and back it out. There's the muffler and tailpipe that was originally on it that we cut off. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. What you hear on the... Much better. MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK and duals. Here's sound decibels. Again. So it's right at like 94. Compared probably before it was like 110, wasn't it? I don't know. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy S10, straight pipe, 4-inch tips, wide pipe setup. Only got 65,000 miles on it, guys. Really clean, really beautiful. As you guys can see, you can tell from the shine, it's been garage kept too, which is awesome. Straight pipe out the back. Chevy S10 V6. It's only got 65,000 miles on it, guys. That is crazy.